I feel like with this look I should rather do a video on art. Hallo Leute, ich bin Katja und ihr seht Deutsch für euch. This week we'll take on some nouns. The list I've put together for you today is not some kind of 100 words you'll always need in German or something, because I found that really hard to determine, and also I doubt that's a good way to start. The list I've put together is a number of words that are either the same as or similar to their English counterparts in sound and or spelling. There is of course a lot more than the ones I've picked out. If you're interested in those, I'll put the links to the lists I used in the description box. However, in my opinion, you shouldn't even really look at them for any other reason than pure curiosity. Curiosity is a shitty word, isn't it? Because it's really not worth it to learn these long lists of words, or at least it really doesn't balance out the huge amount of work at this point in time. So I went through these lists and put together a stack of words that I thought you would actually be able to use every now and then, and that technically you already know. This list does not include countries, sports, school subjects, and months. Those are for word groups, among others, that are pretty similar, not in their entirety, but on a pretty big scale. They're easy to look up, and you will notice that a lot of them really only differ in language-specific pronunciation. Okay, let's get started on our list. Bar, café. This brings us right to drinks, because coffee is nearly the same word as café in German. So you have café and café. Here's a slight difference. Café, with the pronunciation on the last E, because it's French, and café, with the pronunciation on the A. Café, café. Tee, Limonade, Wein, Bier, Milch, Wasser. Film, Hobby, Information. Unlike in English, we have a plural version of Information, Informationen. Minute, Moment, Pause. Museum, Theater, Sofa. Let's get to body parts. There will be an episode on body parts in the future, so I didn't include all of the words that are similar, but, just to give you an idea. Arm, Hand, Finger, Kinn, Nase. Let's get to some animals. Again, there's a lot more animals that sound similar. This might actually be one of the biggest groups that are similar in English and German, but I just picked out a few for now. Bear. Notice the difference between bear and bear. It's not only the I and ä, but it's also the way we pronounce the R. So you say bear, we say bear. Bear. Completely correct. You would have to pronounce it bear, but that is not the way German flows when you actually speak it. So it kind of sounds like it was B-E-A, bear. So you can take that as a guideline. Bear. Elefant. Fish. Maus. Hamster. Biber. You will die a horrible death if you ever spell this poor animal this way. Telefon. Radio. Kamera. Foto. Video. Musik. Schuh. Now combining Hand and Schuh, you get Handschuh. House. Combine Schuh and Haus, and you get Hausschuh. Wort. Schule. Garten. Raum. Kommentar. Polizei. Name. Person. Let's leave it at that for today. I think that's a lot to study up on already. Nevertheless, you get a random word of the week, which is Schere. Bis nächste Woche. Tschüss!